In today's video, I'm going to make a slapping beautiful beat for the GOATs themselves, Smino and Kendric. Obviously, everyone loves these artists. They have very cool sounds and they're very talented.
Without further ado,
So let's hop into FL and get the chord progression and all that cool stuff together. We are on the road to 100. Subscribe now to become one of the OG 100 Gs. Let's get it. Let's run it up. Let's go. I'll be back into FL now. Here's essentially the finished chord progression. This is what it sounds like with the basic piano. Yeah, shit probably like, yeah, it's boring, but I would agree. From this basic chord progression, just build upon it. So I just took the chord progression, put it through VST sounds I like, and here's one layer. It's like a water layer, I believe. Sounds pretty cool. The MIDI to all the layers I added, for the most part, it's all the same. Here's the next layer. Not all of his songs, but Smino have a lot of random texture, odd, beautiful soundscape sounds in the background and just all over the beat. Here's the next sound. I love that. The preset in Pigments, beautiful, beautiful sound. My next sound is, I believe it's just the bass. Next sound, just a main chord progression, just under a different sound. Adds warmth to the beat, I like to say. And I have this last texture. Another like soft bell arpeggio. It's going from like left and right slowly. Then from there, it's just the drums. I play all the drums together. But that's pretty much all the layers of the beat. Also have a audio sample from this YouTube channel I randomly found. I wanted some friends bickering in it. I'm gonna let it play out.
It's my shit though. Why does it even matter?
Because I'm trying to get your dumb ass out.
It's my shit though.
Say less. Don't come complaining to me later on.
I guarantee you I won't. Why are y'all like this? Because this nigga don't know how to shut the fuck up.
So you want me to shut up?
Please.
Fuck you.
Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Click on one of the links up here. Check out more content from me, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay chillin'. Keep creating.